Lesson 2. Number of vowels and consonants in Korean. Korean, like English, has consonants and vowels. First, let's read the vowels of Korean. Korean combines vowels and consonants to form words. How many vowels does Korean have in total? There are 21 in total. Then, how many consonants are there in total? There are 19 consonants in total. Therefore, the total number of vowels and consonants in Korean is 40. If you understand only 21 vowels and 19 consonants of Korean, you will be able to read any Korean language well. Easy, right? Korean is a very easy and scientific language, so it is fun and easy to learn. Thank you.